Hey guys! Welcome back to another video of Kite
and Edge
Fun Channel. So today
we're gonna be making DIY homemade Milo ice cream. All you need is 3 sachets of Milo and a can of Angel's Kremdensada.
So we will be needing a mixer and a bowl.
First step, you need to pour the Kremdensada into the bowl.
By the way, ask your parents to do it for you because cans are really sharp.
Now, let's mix it. Oh my goodness.
Don't shred my hand, ah.
I might shred your hand.
Please don't.
Continue mixing until it doubles the size. Now let's pour the Milo one by one.
Make sure everything is poured, every single dust or powder is poured. Alright, now that it is poured, I'm gonna mix it.
This is what it looks like after putting all the Milo.
So we put it in a container, we close it, and we freeze it overnight, and let's see how it would look like tomorrow.
A few moments later.
So after 24 hours of waiting, let's check. Whoa! Wow naman. Wow naman. Okay na. Let's try it. So good.
Kinda tastes similar to our cookies and cream.
Yeah.
And hope you guys liked this video. And if you did,
Smash that like button and always remember, fly high and stay strong. Wabamo!